This is our 5th Esri Ireland Customer Success Awards and 3rd in person. Seeing the preparation that goes on as a team, behind the scenes, and to see the final product come to life, it's a really full circle moment.
We have created a story map about a boatman's journey through the Grand Canal. So we brought lots of videos, 3D animations, photographs, really old maps, and we brought them onto this one platform of a story map. And now people can imagine what it's like to actually travel from Dublin all the way down to the River Shannon.
Delighted that we won the community engagement. From an IFI perspective, the technology helps us from data collection, data storage, data sharing, data engagement.
There's 10 awards. Some of the new ones include Impact on Society, Judge's Choice, and the Community Choice Award.
For me, the power is bringing data from sensors and all sorts of sources into one place where we can use them to tell stories and help us make better decisions how we plan the future of our cities.
It is very important to win this award because National Broadband Ireland is delivering high-speed fibre broadband to every single home in Ireland, and at the same time it is a massive technological development not only for National Broadband Ireland but also for Esri.
I think GIS is going to make a big difference to the work of our organisation. It'll become a very important strategic research and planning tool.
The Customer Success Awards is not just an event, it's a way of showcasing the amazing work our customers are putting in. It's our way of saying you matter and we see the difference that you're making.
I use GIS with my students almost every single day because I want to open their eyes for the power of geospatial technologies to help them to choose careers within GIS, but also to help to empower the geography that they're doing now, to give them a sense of hope and agency, even as we're exploring a lot of the crises and the challenges that we're facing today. GIS is a tool that empowers them to have the vision to change the world that they're living in.
Well, I've worked in GIS for a very long time, and we work in every facet of every different industry, from education to electricity, and I think we're making a difference to every part of our society.
We won the Community Choice Award, which for us is a real endorsement from our clients and our friends of the work that we do and the support that we have. For a new business, that's really, really exciting and really good recognition for our GIS team.
But we are grateful for the moment to pause, however brief, because this isn't really about us. It's about the infrastructure that we're all trying to build and contribute to as an industry, where good data supports good questions and maybe, perhaps better answers. So here's to the users, the planners, the researchers, the neighbours with questions and problems that need solutions.
And at Esri Ireland, we're incredibly proud to have you all as part of our Esri community. You are the people who are shaping the future, one map at a time. So please, keep pushing the boundaries, keep innovating and keep making a difference.
This year's Making a Difference Award goes to Justin McGurk and the team at the CSO. And the Standout Success Award goes to Waterways Ireland. And the Standout Success Award goes to Inland Fisheries Ireland for the National Barriers Programme. The Standout Success is Northern Ireland Water, never lose data in the cloud. And the Standout Success Award goes to Education and Training Boards Ireland, Re-Education and Language Teams. And the Standout Success Award goes to National Broadband Ireland, Straight Line Diagram and Splice Matrix Automation. And the Standout Success Award for the use of mobile goes to Department for Infrastructure Northern Ireland Rivers. And the Standout Success Award goes to EirGrid for Know Your Boundaries. The Judge's Choice Award goes to Donegal County Council for the Donegal Local Election Hubs site. We have the winner. Mapping a Greener Ireland, GIS at the core of renewable energy development, LP3.